Hey YouTube, got the 1911A1 out. I'm going to do a quick complete disassembly and reassembly. You can see magazine's empty, safed out. Alright, going to take this down to bare pieces, to practically nothing. Using nothing but the pieces on the pistol itself. Just did that with the grip safety, or manual safety. Yeah, it takes care of the slide. Firing pin. I'm going to use the leaf spring to take out the mag release here. There's the trigger, and you can use this funny looking piece here to loosen up the screws so you can take the grips off. But I'm not going to do that now because that would just waste time, so there we go. Now let's put this back together. Love CCR, man, wicked music. There you go. Now make sure the magazine release is working, yeah. You can see it, I think. Oh, come on. Yeah. Now the piece is coming out. That means I did it right. I can put that leaf spring in after. Put the hammer in. Okay, whoops. Never happened before. Pop right back out. Leaf spring, grip safety, and I'm going to put in the manual safety to hold the grip safety in there for a second. Now center that. Well, I call that the hammer tail, just something to call it. Now if you would just decock for me, pretty please. There we go. Makes it easier to put the mainspring housing in. Nutting to it. Now that the pin is holding it in halfway, I'm going to bring the hammer back, which depresses the mainspring and the mainspring housing, and I can take out the firing pin, at which point I will use it to put the mainspring housing pin back in. Okay. Take out the manual safety. Firing pin spring back on the firing pin. Slide. Let's put all this in. Gonna need that. This and the extractor might come in handy. Okay. I reach into the ejection port in order to push up the extractor. There it is. Oh, it's turning funny. Hiya! Ooh, that was close. There we go. Now, the manual safety back in. Gonna need a hammer cock to do that, I'm pretty sure. Use the magazine to depress the safety and slide release spring to get the safety in there. Now it's just a basic reassembly. Usually doesn't take so long to do that. Maybe. Grip safety works. Manual safety works. Cool. Alright. Alright, take it easy, YouTube, and I highly suggest you get one of these. They are beautiful and very effective. Alright, take it easy.